Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm gonna capitalize on JMac investing. He just made a video on hyliion, not hyliion, Dynacert, my apologies. Dynacert, the next hyliion. I'm probably gonna title the video like that simply because I think it could get a lot of views. And JMac just made a video on Dynacert, and I'm hoping to capitalize on his video. I made videos about Dynacert. I did a ton of research on Dynacert. I even went to Toronto to check out the headquarters of Dynacert and talk to the management. And they back then they made Dynacert sound so awesome. I done my research, and did they deliver on any of the promise that they made? No, they essentially lied. They literally lied on the company back in the day. Like I said, I used to keep up with this company like a hawk. But then when I felt like they lied, they literally lied about the earnings report. They lied about their guidance. They lied about everything. I got pissed off and I ignored the company, and I didn't follow the company for the last 2 years. Is Dynacert stock a buy? I would say more of a trade than a buy. But here, let's listen to what the video I made, what they lied on. And this was made on June 12th, 2017. So think about that. That is a long time ago. That is literally 3 years ago. So let's hear what they had to say.
That they will sell about 3,000 units in the second quarter, 6,000 in the third quarter, and 12,000 in the fourth quarter. And all these numbers are considered conservative. All of those sales equate to a value of $180 million at a 60% gross profit for 2017. Since Dynacert is so eco-friendly, they are getting subsidies from the government to help with R&D. Just like how the US government
$180 million projected revenue. Did they generate $180 million? Absolutely not. I would appreciate a thumbs up for this video. But you don't have to. Anyways, let's talk about Dynacert. So what happened in 2017? Well, if we look at the chart, right, the stock skyrocketed. It got me interested. And then I did my research, and then I invested into them. I even traveled to Toronto. The stock shot up to $1, and then, they didn't deliver on anything. The stock crashed all the way down to 21 cents. Suddenly, maybe more stock promotion or something happened. The stock shot up back to $1.19, crashed again, and then traded sideways. But hey, you never know. Maybe now they actually have a product, and back then was a prototype, and they promoted the prototype like they were gonna sell like hotcakes. I don't know, but one thing I can tell you for sure, management is sketchy in this company. They will lie, or maybe they'll lie. I don't know. I don't know. I don't trust the company. I don't trust the management. That's the best thing I can tell you right now. I don't trust the management. But we'll see though. We'll see. Maybe Dynacert could be worth... Maybe Dynacert will do a green power and get pumped up because JMac is talking about it. And when JMac talks about a video, it gets pumped. Especially if it's a penny stock. So yeah, so I wouldn't there's not investment advice, but I just gotta tell you that if you invest into Dynacert, treat it as a day trade. That's my opinion. Because this stock could get pumped. Tuesday can come along and this stock could get pumped hard. We could see this thing up 80 cents, $1. I have no idea. I literally have no idea. But that's my gut feeling telling me that this stock is going to get pumped hard. Shareholders are not going to wait till earnings to, see what the report is like. No way. Let's look at the earnings. Let's look. When was their last earnings report? I have that set up right here. What? Okay, the last earnings report was on August 31st, 2020. So let's click on the earnings report. So earnings report for that date. The one thing I do like about this company, I don't know how they were able to get so much cash, but they do have $19 million of cash on the balance sheet. Like I said, I have no idea how they got all this cash. They have a total asset of $26 million, and they have very, very little liabilities. Very little liabilities. I think the diluted shareholders to get this $19 million of cash, which equals to about $26 million of assets. And then if we scroll further down, their revenues, this is not even in millions. Is this millions? No, this is millions. So what's the revenue like? For the 3 months ending June 30th, 2020, $19,000. Remember my video of them making $180 million in 2017? Yeah, well, that didn't happen. That did not happen. They're making $19,000. I'll be honest with you, I think that the earnings report is going to fluctuate anywhere between, $1 million to $19,000. It's never going to be consistent. Ultimately, shareholders will determine where the stock price, the value of the stock will be. Like I said, my gut feeling tells me that there's going to be a pump and dump for, not a pump and dump, but more like a pump for Dynacert, and there's going to be a lot of people who are interested in the stock. I'm really curious on how many views I would get for this video. Before I go, I just wanted to point out High Tide. High Tide actually makes real revenue. They make a gross margin. They have $19 million of revenue, and they're making $2 million of profit. Dynacert, not really. Dynacert is just kind of diluting shareholders and getting money that way. Maybe they have a product. Maybe, they just ran into a lot of problems, and maybe finally they are ready to launch this product, and they can sell it and make tens of millions of dollars. I don't know. At the end of the day, I don't follow the company closely because I don't like the management. They lied, and that's just my personal feelings. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.